Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Toggl Track for task-based project reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Toggl Track for task-based project reporting, start by logging into your Toggl Track account. Navigate to the Projects section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Project button. In the New Project window, enter a name for your project. Select a color that represents your project to help identify it quickly later on. Toggle the visibility setting to either public or private based on your preference. Now, click on the Create Project button to save your new project. Next, go to the Tasks section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Task button to set up a new task. Provide a name for your task that aligns with your project goals. Choose the project this task belongs to from the drop-down menu. Set an estimated time for how long you anticipate the task will take. Now, click on the Create Task button to save the task. To start tracking time for this task, navigate back to the dashboard. Locate the task you want to track time for in the tasks list. Click on the play button next to the task name to begin recording your time. You can add tags to your entry for better organization and reporting later on. Once you've completed the task, click the Stop button to finish the time tracking. To view your task-based project reports, head to the Reports section in the left sidebar. Select the date range for the report you want to generate. In the Project dropdown, choose the project for which you want to see the reports. Make sure to select Tasks to filter the report specifically by tasks. Click on the Generate Report button to view your insights. Review the data presented in the report to analyze your task performance. Use this analysis to adjust your project management strategies as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively activate Toggl Track for task-based project reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.